So in this video I'll be covering out the weekly outlook for the new week, which will be starting from tomorrow, 17th August 2025. So I wouldn't want this to be too long or boring. Already I've done everything, so we just have to walk back through it to get what I expect towards the new week. So I would like to start from the weekly time frame. Already I've spoken a lot about this whole level in my previous videos, and I think in the last video I spoke about how while we're still keeping heads up for 33, 40, 50, 60 levels, we need to take note of taking our profits exactly at 50% of this week, which we could see what happened after the 50% of the week. We got some very aggressive reaction back down. So what I expect from this price action or from this move that came back is a two-way something. I expect price to actually give some form of bullish reaction at this point that this candle sweat liquidity. I expect price to give a little reaction though, but then from this point and also to 50% of the other week that is sitting right here. This is actually what I expect to see from the weekly time frame. If we then go down to one day, on one day we could see our price is floating in this bullish FVG, but then we could see the fact that with the close of this other daily candle that swept liquidity right here, we got a full break, price coming back, picking entries from here. What I expect to see is a bit like more fall down. Let's get more fall down, and if we take more falls down now, you could see how where this is the point where price of liquidity is sitting on this breaker block, which when we go down to 4 hours, 1 hour, we'll see much more clearly. And then if we pick out our fib tool and take 50% of this guy here, I expect to get a solid reaction from this level. So probably if we could get to see some reaction, I expect price to possibly fall down as low as this. Most times this is actually what happens to shake off much more buyers that are trying to buy the FVG from this point. So if we go down to 4 hours now, when we go down to 4 hours, you could see the breakout block here. You could see our price tapped it multiple times, but then the reaction isn't too great too. So I expect to see price fall a bit lower, take out previous week low, tap this level, and then give some bullish reaction back to this point whereby it's still around our previous week low, and then sell. So more my expectation is that we can get much more solid buys from this point. That's around 33.14 down to 33.300. Why do I say that? Actually, if we should go down a bit lower to 1 hour. If you go down a bit lower to 1 hour, you could see what happens right here. After this impulsive move to the upside, price did not come back and pick entries. Price did not fall back anywhere near the discount level to push up higher. If we should take it, you could see it right here. There was no pushback. And where is our discount level sitting at? Our discount level is sitting around 33.14 down to 33.300. So I expect price to push down a bit lower, but then with trades like this, you tend to see that okay, when price comes to this level right here, you could see some form of reaction which could actually push price higher than just picking entries. But then I expect price to pick much more sell entries right here and then sell down to this box, and when it comes back to this box with confirmation, we'll get a very solid push to the upside. So this is basically what I expect to see this week. If you are new to the channel, I do a lot of this every week. Subscribe, turn on notification bells, and stay active, because if you're not also part of my Telegram channel, please join up. I drop my trades there also. Most times I drop most of my trades there also, so that you could also be part of this next wave that the market is actually cooking. So as always, at the end we just react to whatever the market shows us. And then I'll see you all in the next one. Stay active and let's make money this week. Thank you.